Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to run Gemma 4. So Gemma 4 is a recent model released by Google. Gemma 4 is almost the state-of-the-art local model that you can run locally on your laptop with very uh, permissive license. Like you can use this for commercial purposes. If you are building a hardware product that needs onboard AI, you can use this, and yeah, this is quite useful. Let's see how to install it. I'm going to, so let us first visit the actual litert runtime. You don't have to run it in this way, but this is essentially like the quickest no code way to run the AI model, especially the Gemini AI models. They are fine tuned for this litert runtime because both Gemma 4 as well as this litert both are from Google. So the compatibility uh, is very high. So you can simply install it using this command here, like uv tool install litert-lm. But before that, you need to actually install uv itself. Okay, now I'm on my command line interface. Let's see, uv is already installed in my system. Let me quickly install litert as well. You simply copy this and install. I have already installed it, so it simply said it is already installed, but it will download and install this litert-lm. It's quite a package. It may be like more than 200, 300 gigabytes of download. But since I have already installed, it is already ready to go. Now, let me show you one more. It's not a trick, but it is like a essential. The AI model on your local edge device, it has to do something, right? Either controlling, if you are using it for home assistant, similar to home assistant, if you want to reduce, increase, or decrease your system brightness, if you want to like increase or decrease the audio volume, anything, you can do it using a function call. Okay, this function call. Okay, let me first run it and show it to you. Now I'm going to create a very small Python preset.py, which you can simply copy paste from here, or this will simply give you a date and time. I have a little like more not complicated, but simply I have added one more tool so that you can know what exactly have to be done in order to create a complete like your own tool calls. Okay. Okay, so here it's simply I have two functions. One is the default function given by Gemini as an example, and I have added one more example. It is getting a distance between two 2D points. It's a simple Euclidean mathematics that if you ask the AI to do this directly, it will definitely give you a wrong answer only because the AI is simply predicting the next one. It's not exactly calculating, but by giving access to tools like this, you can make the AI to do the calculation, and instead of predicting whatever it is like predicting the next token, instead of doing the prediction, it can do a concrete calculation and give you the answer. So let's run the command from here. Uh, see, again, this I have named my preset file as preset.py, so I can write is this. So it's simply two functions and a variable named tools, that is a list of tools it can call. By tools, it is simply function calling. These are simple Python functions that you can call. And important thing is these doc strings. These document strings are required for the AI to understand the context of that tool. If you don't give anything, it cannot understand what this tool is doing. We are simply giving it the uh, all the function, whatever it is required as an input. We mention the same in the doc string so that it can run without like it can actually understand and give you the make the tool calls. it is loaded. Now let us give it hi. What are the tools you can access? This is not connected to any internet service provider, or it is not connected to any external API. It is simply loading or doing this inference from your local system. Like it is, as you can see, it is saying it has access to two tools, and it is giving the description of those two tools. Let's get what is the distance between 12 comma 15 and origin. As you can see, we are not giving two numbers. One of it is simply a word, that is origin. It will infer 0 comma 0 from this, and yeah, this is the thinking tokens, I guess. These are to calculate the distance. I need to know the coordinates of the origin. You can see it gave an answer which you can confirm. Square root of 12 minus 0, that is 12 square, plus 15 minus 0, that will be 15 square. As you can see, it is 19.209. It gave the answer as 19, but yeah, without the tools, if you ask, it will definitely give you some random nonsense instead of the answer. Here it is like did the actual function calling and gave you the answer. So I think this is also, you can ask it questions in just copying it and pasting it over here. It is saying நான் நன்றாக இருக்கிறேன் நன்றி நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள், the exact same thing translated here. So it can even though it is very small model, it has multilingual capabilities. That's what I'm trying to demonstrate here. So if you have any doubts, or probably this is a very simple demo, you can install it without you know much hassle if you simply install UV, because UV is the state of the art package manager for Python. It solved a lot of Python dependency issues that that usually arise when installing any packages in the past. But now it is the state of the art package management available for Python, and litert-lm is using UV, so it's really simple and quick to install. And that's all. If you have any doubts regarding Gemma or any general Edge AI, leave it in the comments, and I'll try to address it as soon as possible. Thank you.